open, they're up and racing. Reyes Angel, Seni Sebiorum moving up to grab the lead. Purple Ribbon is by the route. Kidneys Magic, Naga, and trailing the group is Maker's Mark. Heading towards the 900 meters pole, we have Seni Sebiorum in command by Enek, running by the rail. Purple Ribbon, then followed by Reyes Angel and Kidneys Magic. Heading towards the half-mile pole. Now we have Purple Ribbon takes command. Seni Sebiorum running on the outside. Reyes Angel racing in third. Then followed by Kidneys Magic and Maker's Mark Naga. Rounding on the 600. Purple Ribbon still leading the field alongside Seni Sebiorum. Reyes Angel running in third and Kidneys Magic. As they race for home, it's still Purple Ribbon leading the field over Seni Sebiorum. Reyes Angel, Kidneys Magic is by the rail, and down the stretch they come. It's still Purple Ribbon over Seni Sebiorum, Reyes Angel, and Kidneys Magic. With 100 meters to race, it's still Purple Ribbon, Seni Sebiorum, Reyes Angel. And finally at the finish line, it's going to be Purple Ribbon, Seni Sebiorum, Reyes Angel, and Kidneys Magic for your quartet. Then comes Naga and Maker's Mark.